if you want to take 48 megapixel photos on iPhone 17, then first of all we need to go to settings, open camera settings in here, and then choose formats. You want to make sure that resolution control is enabled, so if it's off, you want to tap on the switcher to turn it on. Next we're gonna go to camera. Over here in the upper left corner you want to tap on this button and you want to switch to 48 megapixels. You might also need to tap over here on the upper right corner on these dots. Make sure that the night mode is disabled, the live mode as well, and the flash. All of these should be disabled. So let me actually turn it off. There we go. And now also I believe we can also disable the macro mode as well, but let's see. Yeah, if we take the photo with the macro mode, then it will be saved in 12 megapixels. But if you disable the macro mode, it is now saved in 48 megapixels. So also remember to disable the macro mode in case you have this flower. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.